I'm Jeff Robbins. I'm the Director of Operations here at RubberForm Recycled Products.
I'm Bill Robbins. I'm the president and founder of RubberForm. Founded the company back in 2005. We manufacture products made out of scrap tire rubber and scrap plastic. We build safety, risk mitigation, and compliance products.
All of our products are made out of 100% recycled materials. We are the only ones making products like this in the USA.
And we're doing business all over North America. Our biggest challenge right now is personnel, in finding people. Right now we have about 20 people. We have about 10 people we'd like to hire, start a second shift. We have openings in every department from the front office to the plant.
Technology definitely can help us offset the workforce challenge in a sense that a lot of our presses, a lot of our machinery is old. So there is a lot of technology that we can implement.
And so we have some projects that we're working on to figure out how we automate our very labor-intensive process here.
We'd like to start automating a lot of our machinery, and we need the technical help to come in to support our workforce, as well as hire on some technical specialists to help us through these challenging times. That's how technology can certainly help us.
Training is also very important.
Biggest challenge to technology adoption is buy-in, and I think with proper training they can be on board, and instead of being the one that's kind of pushing against certain technology adoptions, they would then see and learn the benefits of it.
If they grow, we grow. If we grow, they grow.
So we really felt that the team we have was very strong. The tenure is developing here with those folks. We do want to take those people and start moving them up the level as we bring more people in, because that's just how we're going to be successful, is with the current team that we have.
We're actually trying to adapt technologies and manufacturing processes that have never been done this way to our process. And we have a lot of folks that say, well, you can't do that. Well, can't is not in my vocabulary. If we couldn't do it, we wouldn't be doing what we're doing here today at RubberForm.